It's a rest stop now too. There's the Rockies. We saw pronghorn. Colorado gators.
I'm not gonna pack mine. Gotcha.
Eddie, where are you?
Tatooine. No place in Tatooine that looks quite like this.
We were told just walking in socks was a really good idea.
Obviously, we're not following that good idea.
Runoff from the snow melting produces this creek, and you gotta kind of wade across to get to the dunes. Where's
Sled?
Yeah, where's the sled? We got it all waxed up and everything. This is gonna be cold.
I would assume this is all runoff from the glaciers.
I expected it to be cold, but it's warm by the time it gets here. Just a bit rocky. Just stop tumbling. Woo! Nice! It's not that hot. It's got a very cold breeze going on.
It's making the trek a little arduous in the undergarment department.
This might be easy enough for us to do. Good distance. That's hard packed sand, isn't it? It's not too bad getting up and down, is it? All right, ready? Does probably take momentum.
Yeah, it takes a running start.
Woo! Better than white sands. We are wearing off those donuts.
Water! Water!
Room service. Who wants to do this one?
I do. It's only sand that I'd be crashing into at high speed.
No, I was joking. I was joking.
What?
Let's do a little bit more walking. There's a sarlacc pit. Good workout. I think this is where we should stop.